Hi everyone, hope you're all well. In today's video we're going to be talking about Jetpack. So Jetpack is a really popular WordPress plugin that provides a variety of features and tools to enhance the functionality and overall security of a WordPress website. The plugin was created by Automatic, which is the same company behind WordPress.com, and is designed to work seamlessly with self-hosted WordPress websites. Jetpack offers a suite of features including website stats, security features like brute force attack protection and malware scanning, automated backups, performance optimization tools, customization options such as custom CSS, and marketing tools like email subscriptions and social media sharing. Jetpack offers both free and paid plans with different levels of features and support. The paid plans do offer more features such as real-time malware protection and scanning, resolution, priority support, and unlimited video hosting, and a content delivery network as well. Jetpack is a really popular plugin among WordPress users because it offers a really convenient and comprehensive set of features in all in one plugin, which eliminates the need for multiple plugins for different functions. So to start off downloading the free version of Jetpack, what you want to do is log into your website, go into the dashboard, and you want to just click into plugins. And then once you're done, you want to click on Add New. And you're just going to search for the Jetpack plugin. You might find it's already on the front page of the WordPress directory. It's this one here, Jetpack by Automatic. If you can't find it though, you can always just type it in directly here. And it should come up in the search engine results, or in the search results. And you're looking for this one specifically, so Jetpack WP Security, Backup Speed, and Growth by Automatic. And then also just make sure that it's compatible with your version of WordPress. It's important to note that you want to get rid of any other kind of security plugin, any other performance enhancing plugins, caching plugins, and SEO plugins as well. And then you just want to click on Install Now. And then once it's installed, you just want to click on Activate. So in the beginning, you can essentially fill out this kind of checkbox to kind of get more out of the site features. And after that, it'll kind of give you some recommendations on how to get started. If you click on At a Glance, this is essentially an overview of some analytics of your site. So it tells you some all-time reviews, views today, comments, and best overall day. And this is basically how many people are coming onto your site. So you get a kind of stats on your WordPress-website.com. And then you've got some security settings as well. So with Jetpack, so they have lots of different security settings. One security setting that they have is brute force protection. So with brute force protection, this is essentially a security feature that helps you protect your WordPress website from brute force attacks. Brute force attacks are basically a type of attack where an attacker tries to guess a user's password by repeatedly trying different combinations of usernames and passwords until they find the correct one. The way Jetpack's brute force protection feature works is by limiting the number of login attempts that can be made from a single IP address within certain periods of time. If too many login attempts are made within a short period of time, the IP address is blocked from accessing your site for a certain amount of time, which can help prevent brute force attacks. In addition to limiting login attempts, Jetpack's brute force protection feature can also help prevent other types of attacks like XML RPC attacks and attempts to access certain files and directories on your server. It's important to note that while Jetpack's brute force protection can be effective in preventing attacks, it's still important to use strong passwords and other security measures to keep your site secure. Additionally, although Jetpack's brute force protection is only available on the paid plans as well. The other feature that you have for security is their scan. So Jetpack's scan feature is a security feature that can help you identify and fix security vulnerabilities on your WordPress website. The scan feature is available on Jetpack's paid plans. The way it works is that it performs regularly automated security scans of your website, checking for security vulnerabilities, malware, and other security issues. If any issues are found, Jetpack will alert you with an email notification and provide guidance on how to resolve the issue. The scan feature allows you to stay up to date with the latest security best practices by providing recommendations on how to improve your website security. So for example, it may suggest that you update WordPress and update plugin versions as well, use strong passwords, or enable two-factor authentication. And similar as before, while their scan feature can be really effective in identifying and fixing security issues, it's still important to keep good website practice and security habits, like using strong passwords and keeping your plugins up to date, and also regularly backing up your site. In terms of backing up your site, Jetpack also have something called WordPress Backup. So WordPress is a backup and security service developed by Automatic as well. So WordPress offers essentially real-time automated backups of your WordPress website, as well as advanced security features as well. So with WordPress, you can back up your entire WordPress website, including your database, any media files, and other content. The backups are then stored securely in the cloud, and you can easily restore your website to a previous version if something goes wrong. In addition to backups, WordPress also includes a range of security features to help your website from hacking, malware, and other security threats. And these are ones that we mentioned before, like the brute force protection, the scan, and also the site monitoring as well. WordPress also offers the two-factor authentication, so this can help prevent unauthorized access to your account. WordPress itself is available as a standalone service, or you can use it as part of Jetpack's premium and professional plans. In terms of performance and growth, Jetpack also offer the Jetpack search feature as well. The Jetpack search is a search feature for WordPress websites that is available on Jetpack's paid plans. So Jetpack search replaces the default WordPress search function with a more advanced search engine that provides faster and more accurate search results. It uses something called Elasticsearch, which is a powerful open source search engine to deliver fast and accurate search results. The search feature is customizable and allows you to choose which post types, which categories, and which tags are included in the results. Jetpack also includes a number of additional features to enhance the search experience. So for example, it supports partial word matching, typo correction, and did you mean suggestions to help users find what they're looking for. It also provides real-time indexing, which means that new content is immediately searchable and as soon as it's published. It's fully responsive, meaning it works well on both desktop and mobile versions, and it's optimized for multilingual websites as well, so you can provide search results in multiple languages as well. On top of some performance and security protection that Jetpack have, they also offer a lot of SEO features as well to help you optimize your WordPress website for search engines. Some of the features include XML sitemaps, so they can automatically generate a sitemap for your website. And this sitemaps make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your content. They also have social media previews as well. So it allows you to customize the social media preview for your pages and posts, and this can help improve click-through rates for social media platforms. Jetpack also have a related post feature, which suggests similar content to your visitors, which can help keep them engaged on your site and improve your bounce rate. This in turn can help improve your website search engine rankings and click-through rates as well. Jetpack also makes it really easy to verify your site with search engines like Google and Bing, and this can help improve your search engines rankings as well. And Jetpack also include the site stats, which we've seen earlier. The site stat features allow you to track your website's traffic, views, and popular content, which can help you make informed decisions about your content and SEO strategy. But Jetpack's SEO features may not be as extensive as some dedicated SEO plugins, but they do provide a solid foundation for improving your website's search engine. If you are looking to improve your website's SEO, Jetpack's features are definitely worth exploring. So now to go over some pricing. So Jetpack's pricing is quite flexible. So with all the features that we talked about with WordPress, social, video press, security, you can get each of these features separately. So for example, if the only part of Jetpack's features that you're interested in is WordPress, you can just get the WordPress plugin itself, and you don't need to then purchase the whole entire plan for it. Same with all the other features that they have for the scan, the site search, the boost. All of these can be purchased separately, or you can purchase them at a bundle. If you know that there's more products that you want to get, then you can then look into Jetpack's bundles and products and then pick a plan from there. So you've got the WordPress backup, you've got the security plan, and then you've got the complete plan. So with the WordPress backup, you just get the WordPress backup and you get up to 10 GB storage. You get a 30-day archive, and you also just get all of this features as well, like the downtime monitoring, brute force attack, plugin auto updates as well. And if you scroll down, you can see everything that you get within it and what you don't get as well. The most comprehensive plan that you can have is the complete. So in terms of storage, you get the 1 TB storage for your backups. You get all of the features with a little bit more advanced features as well. And then a lot more storage and just all the features set up in the complete plan as well. Keep an eye out for the pricing, because they do tend to have a lot of sales on, especially with your first year. They do have a significant price drop, but their usual price point will come into effect a year later as you get billed yearly. So it's quite flexible in terms of how you want to buy. If you want to buy only certain features, you can just buy that. Or if you want to buy a bundle, if you know that there's a few plugins that Jetpack offer that you want to use, then you can do that as well. And as mentioned before, they offer a free plan, and that includes basic features like the site stats. They include the activity log, some of the security features as well. But the free plan does not include advanced features like the backups or even like the site search and security as well. Whether or not Jetpack is worth having on your site really depends on your specific needs and preferences. One advantage of Jetpack is that it offers that comprehensive set of features in one plugin, so that can simplify your website management by reducing the number of plugins you need to install and manage. Additionally, Jetpack is developed by Automatic, so the same company that develops WordPress, which means that it's well integrated with WordPress and may offer better compatibility and performance than some other plugins. On the other hand, though, some people do prefer to use individual plugins for specific functions so that they have more control over the features and customization options. Additionally, some people may feel they don't need all of the features offered by Jetpack and may prefer to use the individual plugins that offer specific features that they need. Ultimately, whether or not you choose to use Jetpack or individual plugins depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution, Jetpack may be a good option to consider, but if you prefer more control and customization, individual plugins might be a better choice. So when it comes to individual plugins that can do what Jetpack can offer to do, one of them is WordFence. So WordFence is another popular security plugin for WordPress websites, and it's designed to protect your website from a range of security threats, including hacking attempts, brute force attacks, and malware scanning as well. Some key features of WordFence is, one example is the firewall. So it includes a web application firewall that can detect and block malicious traffic to your website, and the firewall is continuously updated to protect against new threats, and it can be customized to suit your specific security needs as well. WordPress also have a malware scanner as well, just like Jetpack. So their malware scanner is very powerful, and it can detect and remove malware from your website. The scanner checks all files and database for malicious code, and it can also detect backdoors and other security threats as well. They also have a wide range of login security features, including two-factor authentication, password strength checking, and the ability to limit login attempts. These features can help prevent brute force attacks and other login-related security threats. Depending on what plan you're on, they also have real-time threat intelligence. So their real-time threat defense uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to detect and block new and emerging security threats. This helps ensure that your website is protected and up to date with the latest security threats as well. And they also have really good security alerts as well. So they send real-time security alerts to your email and WordPress dashboard, and this can help you quickly respond to security threats and take action to protect your website. So overall, if you're looking for a really comprehensive security plugin and you don't want all of the features that come with Jetpack as you don't need them, WordPress can really help protect your website from that as well, from a range of security threat. It's very easy to use. It includes a range of features that can be customized to suit your specific security needs. And if you're looking to improve the security of your website, WordPress is definitely worth considering if you don't want to have all of the additional options that Jetpack offer. So if you like the feature they assigned of WordPress, but you don't want the other features that come with the WordPress, then another popular backup plugin that you can use instead is Updraft. So Updraft is a backup and restoration plugin for WordPress websites, and it's designed to provide a reliable and easy to use backup solution that can help your site. Some of the key features that Updraft Plus has is the backup scheduling. So it allows you to schedule automatic backups of your website, so you can ensure that your data is always protected. You can set backup schedules for daily, weekly, or monthly backups, and you can choose to backup your entire website or just specific databases and file as well. They also have multiple backup destinations as well, so you can store your backups in cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or even Amazon S3, and this can help ensure that your data is always accessible even if your website experiences any kind of failure. It's really easy to restore your website as well, as you can easily migrate or clone your website to a new location or server, and this can be useful if you're moving your website to a new hosting provider or if you want to create a development or staging environment as well. They have loads of premium features, including database encryption, automatic updates, and more backup destinations as well. And these features can help provide an even more comprehensive backup solution for your website, even more so than Jetpack. It's very reliable and it's easy to use as well, and it can help protect your website from data loss and other issues. The key differences between Updraft Plus and WordPress is mainly the pricing. So Updraft Plus is kind of what's described as a freemium plugin, meaning that it offers both free and premium versions. The premium version of Updraft Plus offers more features of functionality, but it can be more expensive than WordPress. But WordPress, on the other hand, is premium only, and its pricing is based on the number of websites you have to back up. Updraft Plus and WordPress offer similar features, including backup scheduling, automatic backups, and easy restoration. However, Updraft Plus offers more backup destinations than WordPress, including cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3. WordPress, on the other hand, offers some unique features like security scanning and spam protection. And both of them have friendly user interfaces that make it easy to set up and manage backups. However, some users do find Updraft Plus to be more intuitive and easier to use than WordPress. So overall, Updraft Plus and WordPress are both reliable and very easy to use. The choice between them will depend on your specific needs and preferences, like the number of sites you want to back up, the backup destinations you prefer, and the additional features that you want to have as well. The decision to use Jetpack or individual plugins will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Some pros of using Jetpack is that it's an all-in-one solution. Jetpack offers a suite of features and functionality in one plugin, including security, performance backups, and more. This can be convenient and efficient as you don't have to install and manage multiple plugins. Jetpack also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to set up and manage the various features. You don't need to have advanced technical knowledge to use Jetpack. Jetpack is also developed by the same team that created WordPress.com, so it offers seamless integration with WordPress.com services such as stats and social sharing. Saying that though, there are some cons to Jetpack as well. Jetpack's premium features can be really expensive, especially if you need multiple features. This can make it less cost effective than individual plugins. And Jetpack's all-in-one approach means that they can be resource intensive and may impact your website's performance. Some users have reported slower load times and increased server usage whenever they use Jetpack. And while their all-in-one feature makes it easy to use, it also means that it may not offer as much customization or flexibility as individual plugins. But on the other hand, using individual plugins can offer more control and flexibility, as you can choose the specific plugins that meet your needs and preferences. But this can be more time-consuming and complex to manage, as you need to install and configure multiple plugins. Ultimately, the decision to use Jetpack or individual plugins will depend on your specific needs and preferences, as well as your budget and your technical skills as well.